Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are rating this video X out of X. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at Weapon X for this particular video in bricks form and in Heroclix form. Okay, so let's start off with the bricks form. Okay, so this is from Shopee, one of the online website in the Philippines. Okay, so we are going to build quickly this Weapon X miniature figure. Okay, and as you know, Weapon X is Wolverine, and Wolverine is our favorite character of all time. So we're glad to have him in any shape or form. We actually had a Weapon X brick before, but this one is an updated version. Okay, so you can see the minifigure is done. Okay, he's hairy, this particular figure. And helmet out, he's mad. Okay, so that's it for the minifigure. And the main event is the Weapon X chase from Deadpool and the Weapon X set. Okay, I got this figure from a trade with Benjamin So of Singapore. So again, thank you very much, Benjamin, for the trade. Okay, and helping me complete my Wolverine collection. So let's take a look at the card for Weapon X. Weapon X is set number 61, a chase. There are a lot of chases in the set, okay, which is Wolverine. Okay, so it's both a blessing and a curse. Okay, blessing because we want to see a lot of Wolverine. It's a curse because chases are often the most expensive figures. So he has the X-Men team ability and the team player team ability. Keywords are Alpha Flight, Exiles, Weapon X, X-Men, Animal, and Soldier. Okay, so great keywords, especially Animal. He has a couple of traits. The first one here is Wolverine Squad. I think this is a shared trait from some Wolverines also in this set. When this character rolls a 5 or 6 on a single D6 roll after resolutions, you may heal a friendly character with a Wolverine Squad trait 1 click. And a second trait, Uncage, Vengeance, Lip Climb, Willpower, free. If Weapon X was damaged since your last turn, roll a d6, move him up to the result, and then deal 1 penetrating damage to each character he moved through. Okay, so he's doing the barrage of attack for 1 click as he moves. Okay, and he has improved movement character. Okay. He also have an improved movement special power rather, which is mutant, monster, or machine, or all of them, I guess. Charge Flurry, which is protected outwit, and a special defense power. I'm enjoying this far too much. Stop invulnerability super senses. Okay, so real name is James Howlett. Excels number 85 is the appearance. Okay, so you can see here, he comes in at 3 starting line, 175, 75, and 45. Okay, the 45 looks really enticing. Okay, 45 points with that special movement power, precision strike, combat reflexes, and 3 damage exploit, and a stop click. So you cannot go wrong with that starting line. Okay, but I'm tempted actually to use him probably on the 75 point line for that additional rollout of Impervious. Okay, and yeah, so because he has the Wolverine Squad, every time he's on the stop click and is able to again super sense when a 5 and a 6, then he will heal 1. Okay, so interesting. So I think this is a very good piece out of all the Wolverines, one of the more playable one. You cannot go wrong with Charge Flurry and Precision Strike, and at the same time that free movement gives him an additional reach, possibly 6, move 6, and then charge flurry 4, so possible 10 reach or at least a 5 reach in terms of getting into an opponent. Okay, so and he is an attacker through and through throughout the dial. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the comment. By the way, he is unique, so unique figures tend to be strong from my experience. So I'm gonna try to build a team around him. Okay, so again, share your thoughts on the comments for this weapon X. Bye.